Hey guys, Justin's back. Sorry about that. Place I'm at now, I guess the internet's. I have like one bar here, so I'm sorry it took off. So, what I was saying before is I'm working on a second person point of view story, and what I'm trying to capture is while you're reading the story, or for anybody reading the story, I want you to immerse yourself into the story. When you're reading about the loss of a partner, you can put the loved one, your fiance, husband, wife, etc., etc., your partner in there, that place. So without me saying a name, who it is, and whatnot, you could put your mind, fill the story up with what you have in there. There are mostly that's about it for that part. The rest of it, you're going to be on this hunt to find out who murdered your partner. And hopefully, if I do it correctly, it can captivate your attention. My weakness right now is writing this is that I hate starting the sentences so much with like you, your, you've, stuff like that, and that's what I'm working on. So right now, this is again it's a rough draft, but we're gonna jump into it. I will show you what I got going on right now. It is um, what I have currently on here. So yeah, as you can see, I was doing this paragraph before the internet went out on me. So hopefully it won't go out again. Again, I do have some of it written down that from when I'm at work. I labeled them. There's only about 10 pages, but they're little small ones, so I guess 10 paragraphs you can say. Um, this way is probably not easy to watch me write with, so we will. Let's go to double spaced. There you go. Should be better. So yeah, so what I do is I put some music on. I just watched Transformers, the Rides of the Machines, I think it's called. Pretty much one of the Beast Wars characters. So I like that music. So I'm going to listen to it, ask questions. Let me know we did on the 4th. Let's have fun. Let's write. Let's create. Let's create. Let's change the world. time before I go to let you know. Don't let you know. Okay, so I will read what I've got written so far. It's called Your Secret. You've done this before. Oh, my music started. Hold on. Don't get me wrong, I love it. But, okay, start it again, right? Your Secret. You've done this before. The pitch black sky has a full moon within. The stars light up the barren streets. You're kneeling down, looking at a puddle of water and blood. Shivers run down your spine as you look all around. That feeling haunts you again, like eyes upon you. This case leads from one dead end to another. Being a detective means you only get to see the aftermath of the crime, never getting to prevent it. But after your partner was taken from you, this becomes your calling. To find one, oh, you know what? Now that I'm reading this out loud, so I should not put after your partner was taken because then they'll think you're a detective. And if your partner was taken, they think, oh, it's just your partner. But in reality, it's supposed to be the love of your life. So this has to change. There we go. There we go. So, but after your love was taken from you, this has become your calling. But after your love was murdered, okay. Let's try it again, right? Your secret. You've done this before. The pitch black sky has a full moon within. The stars light up the barren streets. You're kneeling down looking at a puddle of water and blood. Shivers run down your spine as you look all around. That feeling haunts you again, like eyes are upon you. This case leads from one dead end to another. Being a detective means you only get to see the aftermath of the crime, never getting to prevent it. But after your love was taken from you, this became your calling, to find the person or thing that murdered them. Yes, creature or thing. You were there when it happened. You are, you were there when it happened. Saw the bright yellow red eyes staring back at you when you walked in on it, eating what was left of the love of your life. Besides those eyes, all you saw was the speed at which it fled. But you still wonder why it didn't kill you that night. What the heck did I put there? Alright. You stand up from the bloody puddle and walk down the alley. A brisk breeze brushes through your long black trench coat, pushing it back to reveal your sidearm tucked away into your shoulder holster. On the other side of the holster are your extra magazines. A glimmer of light upon the rooftop catches your attention. You quickly plot out a path up the fire escape ladder, on the ledge of the windowsill, and then from the satellite dish to grip the edge of the rooftop. Once the path is in your mind, you execute. As you complete the swing from the satellite to the edge, it breaks. You manage to use your fingertips to catch the edge. You grip the edge and pull yourself up to safety with ease. So, hopefully it sounded good. That's just the first 2 pages, which are 2 paragraphs that I have here. So I have somewhere to be in a bit. I was hoping I could write for an hour, but my internet here died and it kicked me out in the beginning and I had to wait for it to reset. Yeah, so I'm going to keep writing. I'm going to put some music on and I'll keep writing. Again, just write down what you did on your 4th of July. I really want to know. Again, I had Action Writer said I went downtown drinking, then hung out with family to watch fireworks. And then I had the Rube Tube, my bruv, hung out with his brew, moi, and he got fucked up and ate. And then he watched fireworks, and he had a long wiener. He ate. So, yeah, so I think maybe every 2 paragraphs, I'll start from the beginning and just read it all again and see what you guys think. And if you're watching this afterwards, again, let me know what you think. If you're watching this on YouTube, just put it down in the comments. Let me know what you think. I do want to start a community Twitch book to publish. I will have more details on my YouTube channel, which will be right here. So pretty much you can find me under Creative Writing Lessons, as you saw there. You can always pause it, go back, or I'll cycle through it again later on, so you can see it. So let's just jump back into the story, get some musica on, and let's get going.
Come with us. Just leave him here.
Just be careful. Sort of have this problem where you can't walk away from people. You know you should.
Guys, I'm one of them. The people who put you here, I worked with them. Pick your ass up and finish what you started. Because if we do nothing, then that means Albie died for nothing and I can't have that. And so we can't give up.
You know, she's gonna be that too.
You can't give up. I won't let you.
You don't believe me?
You really expect me to? You made your choice.
Please don't fight them, Thomas.